Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today we're going to be making a delicious dish that combines two of our favorite foods, lobster mac and cheese. It's a perfect dish for special occasions, or when you just want to treat yourself to something extra special. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound elbow macaroni. 1/2 cup unsalted butter. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 4 cups whole milk. 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1/4 of a teaspoon nutmeg. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups grated cheddar cheese. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 cooked lobsters, meat removed and chopped. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs. After we have the ingredients, let's start cooking. First, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cook the macaroni in a pot of boiling salted water until al dente, still firm when bitten. Once they are cooked, drain and set aside. Next, melt the butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in the flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light brown color. Gradually add the milk, whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth. Add the cayenne pepper, nutmeg, salt, and pepper to the saucepan, and continue to cook until the sauce has thickened. Remove from heat and add the cheddar and Parmesan cheese, stirring until the cheese has melted. Add the cooked macaroni, chopped lobster meat, and chopped parsley to the cheese sauce, stirring until everything is well combined. Next, transfer the mixture to a baking dish, and sprinkle the panko breadcrumbs on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, until the top is golden brown and the sauce is bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious lobster mac and cheese that's sure to impress your friends and family. It's a rich and creamy dish that's perfect for any occasion. Lastly, there are a few tips that might be helpful. Use fresh lobster meat if possible. If you can't get fresh lobster, frozen lobster meat will work, but be sure to thaw it completely before using it in the recipe. Don't overcook the lobster meat. It can become tough and rubbery if it's cooked for too long. Be sure to cook it just until it's heated through. Make sure the sauce is thick enough. If the sauce is too thin, it won't cling to the macaroni and lobster as well. If it's too thick, you can thin it out with a little more milk. Use a good quality cheese. The flavor of the cheese will really shine through in this dish, so use a good quality cheddar and Parmesan for the best results. Experiment with different toppings. You could try topping the mac and cheese with bacon, green onions, or even a little bit of truffle oil for extra flavor. Don't skimp on the seasoning. The cayenne pepper and nutmeg really help to enhance the flavor of the dish, so be sure to use them even if you're not a fan of spicy food. Let it rest before serving. The mac and cheese will be very hot when it comes out of the oven, so be sure to let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This will allow the flavors to melt together and the sauce to thicken up a bit more. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.